para aliwin ko tong araw nyo. Nandito ako ngayon sa bahay ng friend ko. In-invite niya ako dahil birthday ng kanyang anak. Ngayon, wala akong anak pero invited pa rin ako. O diba, obvious? Ako na lang mamaya ang mag-feeling anak. So, nandito pa ako ngayon sa car. Hindi pa ako umaalis kasi inaantay ko yung friend ko na darating. On the way na raw siya. So, inantay ko siya para sabay na kaming pumasok. Okay? Mamaya guys, samahan nyo ako. I-share ko sa inyo yung mga happenings namin dito. At alam kong meron mga kids party. Ano to dapat pool party daw. Kaso, ang lamig-lamig ng panahon, aywan ko lang yung mga bata kung kakayanin ba nilang maligo sa swimming pool. So, yun lang guys. Mag-enjoy din kayo sa panonood nyo mamaya at aaliwin ko kayo. Okay?
Alam ko kayo. Okay. Okay na. What drinks, Ryan? Water. Never mind, Ryan. Sige na.
Brett called me.
Si Ryan? Nawala.
He told me. Because, these are health ministers. Everything, everybody, the infection was really, I think, on too many people in Taiwan. And it was that about it. The guy that picks up their health thing, like the CDC, was educated in Johns Hopkins University. He educated this guy. He's over there doing a better job than what the U.S. is doing.
Yeah, juice. You can have juice. I guess, let me ask your mom first. If he can have a juice. Where is it? Mommy. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jose. Happy birthday to you. It's hard. Two more. One more. Malabo mata ko, tibo talaga. What? So he's not yet 11. To you. Happy birthday. I'm faking. Whoa. Ready na. Dali. Right, background. Like background Jose.
Stand next to Jose.
So guys, nag-i-enjoy yung mga bata dito sa labas. So guys, ready na si Ate Virginia kumain. Meron kaming Mexican food. That is called taco, te? Taco? Ayan. Yan yung kanya. Pork taco daw.
Okay. Ito na si Maribel.
Yan, Mexican food. Ito, Mexican food.
Mexican food. Nilalagyan niya ng hot chili sauce. She likes hot chili sauce.
Cucumber and green onion. So,
jalapeno.
okay, so kain muna tayo guys. Snack lang to. Snack lang. Ang sarap na cake. At kasi cucumber. Gusto mo? Ha? Ano ka yun? Lagay ko sa salamin. Bye, madam. Bye, you want some cake?
Wala na.
Sino ba naman ako para pigil ka? Ang alin mo. Namiss ko. Ang alin mo. Namiss ko.
So he's delivering a baby.
I know. That's true. When was that? 30 minutes. The baby was up already and then
Ayan, sige pa, banat pa ng wine.
Kamami naman yung
O yan, okay na.
Ito mga handa namin,
Tako kayo dyan.
Tako kayo dyan. Yan. Tsaka, yan, may bring house na si Ate Virginia, oh. Yan ang Pinoy. Yeah. May bring house talaga kapag umuwi. Mexican food. Ayan, mga Mexican food yung handa.
Carnitas, chicken.
Ay,
Ano
carnitas.
tawag yun dyan?
Carnitas pag pork.
Carnitas pala yun, te.
Asada ba yun? Asada yata.
Chicken asada.
Yeah, pag chicken asada. Pero pag yan,
Para siyang litson yan ba? Para siyang litson na
Yeah.
di ba?
masarap gawing sisig, no?
So guys, nakauwi na talaga ako. Tapos na yung aming get together. Nag-enjoy naman ako. At marami rin pagkain. So, masaya itong araw na to. Kaya sana guys, nagustuhan nyo rin yung video ko. At sana nag-enjoy rin kayo sa panonood. At yun lang. Hinihingal na ako dahil sa naka-2 glass yata ako ng wine. So, yun lang guys. Thank you sa inyo. Thanks for watching. Mabuhay!